Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Star Baby Wolf Pack in Trust and Press for free. Okay guys, first of all, you can go to the salon and you're going to go to this location, and then you'll find the secret room and you'll get this announcement, and when you click on the X button, you will automatically unlock the Star Baby Wolf Pack, and then you will find this heel and you can put on the heel. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back to the salon. Oops, not this way, but this way. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how you can use the walk pack. To equip the walk pack, you can go to this menu, then go to the post bag, and then as you can see that I have already owned this Star Baby walk pack. Okay, wait, this one. Then you're going to click on equip idle or equip bulk. Okay, and I'm just going to click both of them, and this is how the bulk pack looks like. It's just silly actually, but it's so fun. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back and unequip the idle and also the walk. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.